Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to copy all open tab names and URLs in Google Chrome. This is super useful when you need to save your research, share multiple links with someone, or just keep track of important pages you had open. So let's jump right in. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots, which is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the Extensions option. This will expand a submenu showing you extension-related features. In this submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This action will open a new tab that takes you directly to the Chrome Web Store, where you can browse and install various extensions to enhance your browser's functionality. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, look at the search bar located at the top left of the page. Click on it and type in Tab Copy, then press Enter to search. This extension is specifically designed to help you copy information from your open tabs in various formats, making it incredibly convenient for managing multiple pages at once. You'll see the Tab Copy extension appear in the search results. Click on it to open its dedicated page where you can read more about its features and reviews. Once you're on the extensions page, click the blue Add to Chrome button. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to verify the installation. Click Add Extension to proceed. The extension will download and install automatically, which should only take a few seconds. Now that you have the Tab Copy extension installed, it's time to test it out. Open multiple tabs in your Chrome browser and visit any websites you want in each tab. This could be news articles, research pages, shopping sites, or anything else you need to keep track of. Having several tabs open will help you see how effectively the extension works. Once you have your tabs ready, look at the top right corner of Chrome again, right next to the address bar. You'll see a puzzle piece icon, which represents your extensions. Click on this extensions icon to see a list of all your installed extensions. From this list, click on the Tab Copy extension to activate it. A small window will appear showing you the Tab Copy interface. At the bottom of this window, you'll see an option that says Copy as with a drop-down menu beside it. Click on this drop-down to reveal different formatting options. From the list, select Title and URL. This format is perfect because it gives you both the page title and the complete web address for each tab, making it easy to identify and revisit pages later. After selecting your preferred format, you'll see another option to choose which tabs you want to copy. Click on All tabs to copy information from every single tab you currently have open. The extension will instantly copy all this information to your clipboard, ready for you to paste wherever you need it. Now open a Notepad, Word document, email draft, or any other application where you want to paste your tab information. Once you have your destination ready, simply press Ctrl and V on your keyboard to paste. You'll see all your tab titles and URLs appear in a neatly organized list, perfectly formatted and ready to use or save for later. And that's it. You've successfully copied all your open tab names and URLs in Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.